Minister.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank the Honourable Leader of the Opposition for the question, and I rise to respond to the question regarding the utilisation of the 1.5 million allocation for coastal erosion protection in the 2023-2024 financial year. Mr. Speaker, sir, several key project locations were identified under this allocation to mitigate the impacts of coastal erosion and protect vulnerable communities from the threats posed by rising sea levels and erosion. Mr. Speaker, sir, coastal erosion protection works are essential for ensuring the safety and resilience of our coastal communities. The allocations and budget for these initiatives in the 2023-2024 financial years were as follows: Salevu Koso Village in Maduata, 200,000; Tumbo Hospital in Lakembalau, 240,000; Ovea Village, Bau Tailevu, 750,000; Nawai Somo Village in Benga, 200,000, and in-house nature-based projects, 110,000. Mr. Speaker, sir, all projects were mandated to follow a transparent and competitive tender process in compliance with the government financial regulations, thereby ensuring accountability and effective governance. Mr. Speaker, sir, evaluation for the tenders were carried out for coastal erosion protection works that was required to safeguard the Tumbo Hospital in Lakemba with 150 meters of coastal protection works. And in Nawai Somo Village in Benga, it was 310 meters. Unfortunately, the tender for Salevu Koso Village, Maduata, that requires 200 meters of works needed was withdrawn, as the bid substantially surpassed the engineer's financial estimate as to the cost of the lowest bid was 20% more. And plans are in place to retender this project. The Ovea Village project in Tailevu was advertised for tender. The contract was awarded in the third quarter of the 2023-2024 financial year, following a contract duration of 6 months. Construction commenced in 2023 and is expected to extend into the 2024-25 financial year. This involves 470 meters of erosion protection works for Ovea Village and should be completed by the end of this month. Mr. Speaker, sir, the allocation of $110,000 for the in-house nature-based projects was designated specifically for the procurement of construction materials intended for the nature-based seawalls located in Navunievu Village in Boa, where 450 meters of coastal erosion protection works have been completed, and in Namatakula Village in Nanronga, where 100 meters out of the 400 meters of coastal protection works have been completed. These initiatives are designed to offer sustainable, low-impact coastal protection by utilizing local materials and environmentally friendly technologies, thereby strengthening the resilience of these communities against coastal erosion and saltwater intrusion. Mr. Speaker, sir, there is an additional support and funding of $1.7 million from the Kiwa initiative through the International Union for Conservation of Nature and collaboration with the Ministry of Agriculture and Waterways, that has identified 6 sites for nature-based solution seawalls. And these are in Navolau in Ra for 400 meters of nature-based solution seawalls, Navola village in Nandronga for 150 meters of seawalls, Somosomo village in Taviuni, 425 meters of seawall, Mali Island in Maluata, Nakawanga village requires 420 meters of seawalls. Lingaulevu village requires 200 meters of seawalls, and Vesi village 150 meters. The nature-based seawalls in Navolau, Navola Nandronga and Somosomo Taviuni are anticipated to begin this October, this month. The support of the Kiwi initiative through IFCN is much appreciated, and it takes a shorter process before the work can start on the ground. Mr. Speaker, sir, despite our diligent efforts, the delays encountered in the tender approval processes resulted in the Ministry's inability to execute all the coastal protection works for the 2023-2024 financial year, and this will, however, be completed in the current financial year. Mr. Speaker, sir, in response to the delays, the Ministry was compelled to reevaluate its intervention plans and redeploy a portion of the budget to improve the utilization of funds for the coastal erosion protection works for the 2023-2024 financial year. As a result of this redeployment of funds, 329,000 was allocated for the reinstatement of the drainage boards for the Central, Western and Northern divisions. The funds were allocated to set up office space, recruit staff, equipment purchase, vehicle and selected machinery, as well as for the maintenance of approved drainage schemes. And some of these activities will commence this financial year. Mr. Speaker, sir, although the coastal erosion protection projects experience setbacks, the redeployment of funds effectively addressed other critical needs for the Waterways Division during the last financial year. In conclusion, the Ministry is steadfast in its dedication to advancing the coastal erosion protection activities and is working closely with the Government Tender Board and the Ministry of Finance to accelerate the approval processes this financial year. I thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.